we've created 4 new sales funnels that you can use in your solo ad marketing and any type of marketing. And I'm going to show you what the first funnel looks like. And if you're watching this video inside the training area, right below this video, you are going to see the 4 different share codes for the 4 separate sales funnels that we created. Now these funnels are identical. The only difference is there's a different lead capture page for each funnel. Now we also did something different in these funnels. We incorporated a new bridge page that we recently created. And we're going to show you at the end of this video also how to use that bridge page in any of your marketing if that's what you want to do. Like I said, if you're watching this video in the training area, you're going to see 4 different share codes below this video. And here is share code number 1. So I'm just going to copy that. And when I come back to my system, I'm going to hover over websites. And then I'm going to click on my sharing codes. And I'm going to scroll down and I'm just going to paste that share code right here and click submit, and that's added. Now all I'm going to do is hover over websites, click on websites, and I'm going to assume if you're watching this video that you've already been through the basic training in the training area, because what you're about to see is all taught. It's all basic stuff on how your system works. So I've added that code. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to choose the domain or subdomain that I want to attach this new funnel to. And you're going to want to make sure this drop-down menu says become a prospect or whatever I want. So now I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to find that content that was just added to my back office. And it's going to be in this section right here called Sales Funnels Created For You. And here it is right here. It's called Viral Funnel Number 1. So I'm just going to select right there and I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click Save My Choice. And that's it. This is the link right here that you're going to give to the solo ad provider. This is the link you're going to advertise, and your funnel is 100% complete, and all the links now track to you. And I'm going to show you this funnel right now. And as you can see, after we opt in, here is the new bridge page that we created. And it basically lets them know they're going to get a lot of support. We're here to help them and what to expect on the next page. And then when they click that continue button, it lands on the viral 24/7 cash page. And they have the opportunity to watch the videos, and they are offered a 7-day free trial. And obviously, again, this tracks directly to you when they take their free trial. So uploading the other 3 funnels works exactly the same way that I just showed you. And so now this video is complete. For those of you that just wanted to know how to set up your funnel, you can click off this video, it's done. But for those of you that want to know how to use that new bridge page in your own personal marketing, you can continue watching right now, and I'm going to show you real quickly how to do that. The first thing you're going to do is hover over websites and click on copy web pages. Again, this is going to say become a prospect for whatever I want inside the drop-down menu. And you're going to scroll down to this section right here called shared choices. And the page you're looking for is called Jeff's bridge page. And here it is right here. So you're going to copy that page. That's your first step. So I just scroll to the bottom and click the button that says make me a copy. So now you're going to label this page in something that is going to remind you what this page is so you can easily find it later. All right, so I just named this Jeff's bridge page mine. All right, and now that I've labeled it the way I want, I'm going to scroll down and click Save Changes. And the next thing you're going to do is you're going to recode that button to go to any page that you want. So let me show you how to find a page that you might want to link that button to. And the button I'm talking about is the continue button on the bridge page, because you want to direct them to a page that's a sales type page that links to you, obviously. And so the way you can help find a page, hover over websites, click on websites, and scroll down to the bypass lead capture page section, and then choose a sales page that you want them to land on after that bridge page. So let's just say you wanted them to view a hangout after they watched that bridge page. So you're just going to click on the little pick here of the page that you want, and then in the address bar, just copy this entire URL. And now that I've copied that URL, I'm going to go back to the page that I'm working on, the bridge page. And the way I do that is I hover over websites and click on my web pages. And there's my page right here, so I'm going to click on edit. I'm going to click on edit text, and I'm going to find that button and I'm going to double click on it. And this pops up here. Now, we're not using a code behind the button. We're just going to use a straight domain URL. And so in the protocol, just change this to HTTP and then get rid of anything that's in here currently, and then paste your Hangout domain URL right there. Click OK, and then save your changes, and that's it. You're done editing this bridge page the way you want it. And to test it, I'm just going to click on View, and watch this. That now goes to the Hangout page, which again, obviously that's going to track to you. So let me show you really quick how I would attach all of these pages together to create my own personal sales funnel. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hover over websites and then click on websites. I'm going to choose a lead capture page that I want to start out with my funnel. So the first thing I'm going to do is I want to decide what domain or subdomain that I'm going to attach my personal funnel to. Once I've done that, I'm going to scroll down and choose a lead capture page that I'm going to attach it to. All right, I'm just going to choose this one right here, and I'm going to scroll all the way down and click Save My Choice. Now we're on the Choose Your Sales Page section. Now the page that we're looking for, if you remember, I just labeled it Jeff's Bridge Page and then the word Mine in capital letters. I did that because I want to make sure I differentiate the exact page that I just created. Now this is going to be, you're going to scroll all the way down because this is a page that you created. You just saw me copy it, you saw me create it. So this is going to be in a section called Web Pages You Created. You want to look for the exact name that you labeled it. And look right here. See, so it's not confusing. That's not it, because remember, I used the word Mine in capital letters. So that's the page I just created. This is going to be the page they land on immediately after they opt in. And I'm going to scroll all the way down and click Save My Choice. Now simply choose the autoresponder campaign that you want to trigger when someone opts in. I've got it selected to the PLS Opportunity Campaign, no first name. This is obviously your choice, whatever campaign that you want. And that's it, you're done. Let's check this funnel out and we'll be done with this video. All right, there's our bridge page, exactly the way we programmed it. And the final step here, and there's your Hangout, and obviously that's going to track to you. Good luck.